What's going on, guys? Look what I got. I just got it in the mail today. Today is February 1st, 2018. Um, I got it off of Amazon. I had a couple gift cards to add to my Amazon thing. So altogether, I had like $140 in gift cards, and I paid the difference with my Amazon credit card and everything. So I ended up paying, I want to say, around $179 out of pocket, which is not bad. It was the $2.99 version, which just came with the console. You got the blue and red Joy-Cons. Okay, so we're gonna get into this. I had to take it out of the box and set it up because I called Nintendo and was asking questions about how to get points and everything, because I ended up buying the Mario Odyssey right here. I bought that from Best Buy, and I opened it up, okay, and this is what is all in here. I mean, it's just a game. There's no book or anything, so I don't know if that's just what they're doing, because they probably want you to use your points to get the books, I guess, or they're either saving money. But this is my first game. If y'all have the Nintendo Switch, please comment below and tell me if this is the way that all the games are coming, because it kind of freaked me out, and that's why I had to call Nintendo. And then they're like, "Oh, we gotta connect your set up your system." And I said, "Well, I just got my system today in the mail, and I haven't opened it." They're like, "Well, we need to open it. We need to get it set up and everything." So I went through that process. Then I packaged everything up the way it was. So yeah. So anyways, but this is the way it comes, then it's no big deal. But please comment below and let me know if they come with no game card. I mean, not cards, no books, because I'm a big fan of the books, and I thought it was a good addition, But who knows? They could be saving money. But let's just get in here. So I'll turn it down. Oops, I didn't. Okay, so come on. I'm doing this with one hand. I hope I don't knock nothing off. I always do this with one hand. Okay, so it came in when I opened it the first time to get it out, when Nintendo wanted me to. You have your blue Joy-Con on this side in the baggie, okay, and then you have your red Joy-Con here, which is really neat. I was going to get the Mario Odyssey version, but I didn't want to pay that much for it because it was cheaper doing it this way, by $25. The Mario version, you get 2 red Joy-Cons. That's the only difference in buying it the way I did. I have a blue one instead of a red one, which that's what I wanted. So on this side, you have your game system here itself. Okay, so I'll set that right here. I might as well set the Joy-Cons over here. I'm working on this table. This table is down in the room that I've been working in. Me and my girlfriend's gonna be moving down here. It was a really big disaster. We had somebody living here, and they just didn't take care of the room. So I don't want to really show other part of the room, but this is the floor I've got the floor all cleaned up. There's a little bit stuff on the floor, a little bit, but the bed is like really cluttered. The stuff over there is mine that I brought from upstairs, except for the little table here. This little table right there, and that stuff over there. That bag and then boxes over there are mine. So that's my doing. I've been busting my butt down here. But anyways, let's get back into what we're doing here. So you have this thick piece of cardboard here. I will just set it. I don't really want to set it on the floor. I'll just set it down on this cooler. Anyways, so next thing we have, this is your HDMI cable right here. It's looks like it's pretty long. So yeah, I'll just set it on that cardboard right there. Okay, so alright, so this is the only thing that I got out of here, which is the power cord. I did not put it back in the bag right, but whatever. It's just a power cord. I'll just kind of set it down there on the floor for right now. Then you have, I'm not sure what that is. I don't know. I don't know what that is, to be honest. But it's got a... Oh! I know what these are. These are your, they go on your Joy-Cons. They are your, wrist straps. That's neat. Okay. So I'll just set that right there. Alright, so that's it on this side. Right here, let's see what this is. Alright. I pulled that paper thing off with my teeth. So this is what your Joy-Cons go in. Okay, so this is the original. This is the one that does not charge, by the way. I heard that there is one that does charge, and it is $39 from what I've heard. So I'll just set that right there. Okay. This we'll just kind of throw right there on the floor. Just kind of get rid of it for right now. Okay, so right here is your other Joy-Con wrist strap. It was kind of hidden back behind that. So if y'all didn't realize that, like me, seen my video, y'all know now. So okay, so that's weird. This came with the papers, the books, or whatever. It's just, I don't know, just paper. Okay, so now time for the big thing. It's all wrapped up in this plastic here. Okay, oops. So I might get, okay, and then it's got the white plastic inside. I want the white stuff inside. So let's see here. Okay, so here is the docking stand. So yeah, it looks really neat. Okay, my brother has one of these for the kids, and I know this right here, there it goes, it opens up. Okay, this is where your cords go. They all feed through this little opening right there. So that's pretty neat. yeah, I heard that this, let's see, I heard this scratches your system, but I don't see how, I guess. I don't know. I don't know how rough people are putting this in, but yeah, you can do like everybody is saying and get a screen protector. I was gonna get one at Best Buy, but I forgot whenever I got this game here. I got this game from Best Buy. It was $59.99 as usual. These games are very expensive. For as little as the game cards are, they are smaller than the Nintendo 3DS. So, yeah, you might need to get a little case to carry them things around because they are small. All right, so let's see what else is that all that's in the box. Yes, that is all that is in the box. So, guys, now I gotta put this all back in the box so I can take it upstairs to my room. Yeah, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it is helpful. Let's see if we got a refrigerator right here behind me. It's got mine and my girlfriend's food in it. Because the other one is like slap full of other stuff upstairs. But whenever my mom and everybody's not here, that's where we keep our stuff and we eat down here. I mean, we don't eat down here, but we get the food and take it upstairs and fix it. So yeah, I do a lot of stuff. I do still ride my bike. I hadn't rode my bike in about a year. So I was going to get out today, and my girlfriend's mom's like, it's supposed to rain and stuff like that, but we don't live with my girlfriend's mom, we live with my mom. So we're like, okay. So I didn't ride today. And we went and made a Firehouse and walked to Best Buy and then walked to Target and walked to Walmart. Yeah, we went all over today. And she called her mom. She's like, oh, Mama, I thought you said it was supposed to rain. It didn't rain. It's pretty hot. And I was like, yeah, I could have rode my bike today. But yeah, I don't know if y'all can hear the noise of people walking on the floor. Yeah, it makes a lot of noise. So when we get down here, I'm putting soundproof installation. So anyways, thanks again, guys. I'm just rattling on here now. But thanks for watching my video. Please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Peace out.